Hi everyone, today we will discuss about how to activate UAN number. So most of the people will doesn't know the process how to activate the UAN number. So before activating your UAN number, we have to check the UAN number is activated earlier or not, even UAN number is in alive or not. So see, you have to enter the UAN number. And here we have to press the forget password. Here again we have to enter the UAN number. Here we have to enter the captcha shown below. See, the UAN number which I taken is not activated. So then we have to go for the UAN activation process. For this we have to go for the UAN portal again. So in the UAN portal, right side corner we have the activate UAN number. Now your UAN number, like that, lot of options is there. Here we can select activate UAN number. Then here for activation of UAN number, you know the activate UAN number, and you have to enter the other number name as per Aadhaar, and as per PAN should be match. So here we have the so many people will face the challenges. So some of the people have the other name in Aadhaar is different and name in PAN is different. So here we have to both the name in Aadhaar and PAN should be need to be match, and date of birth you have to know, and mobile number. These details required for activation of UAN number, and we have to enter the captcha and get for the after that we can get the authorization pin. So based on this procedure we can able to activate the UAN number. After activating of your UAN number, we can able to go to the UAN portal, and we will have to check the our PF details, everything. Thank you everyone for watching this video.